Okay, fellow bodybuilders, welcome to the Muscle Club. Do you have what it takes? A lot of workouts? A lot of shakes? Do you have what it takes to get into the Muscle Club? Turn it up!
Turn it up, turn it up. It's time to go hard. Turn it up, turn it up. Welcome to the club. Turn it up, turn it up. It's time to go hard, cause the party don't stop in the motherfucking Muscle Club.
Muscle. I'm bisexual.